Okay, so what I want to introduce is the Fate revolver climbing system, which consists of a figure of 8 and a revolver. I'm fairly out, it looks, I'm sort of on a limb walk on the ground here. I'm picking up doing my work. I come back. And then I want to stop and come back some more. I can slide that up, go back down, go back up. This carabiner here is for when I wish to footlock. So I pop that off, I clip that in there, pop that off, and I have an extended bridge to work off of.
Okay.
I'm up at the top of the tree. I bring the top part down, declip there, and I'm clipped in, ready to work. So basically, can walk around, and I never lose any friction. Top ascender, I have my foot loop attached to there. Fits nicely in my foot. I've got this attached to a chest harness. This is just sitting there waiting to be installed. And I have on my foot a little Pantene. So I get Set.
Hold on.
That's that. From this position, I can put my weight on top of sender, giving myself enough slack here to clip in my Fate revolver, take that out, and I'm in my system. Just remove that, this, get rid of or whatever. If you want to get back into it, no problem. Hook back in, take out, and you're SRT ready. And that's the Fate revolver system right there.